My dear students, in the previous video, we have completed all the laws under the logical equivalence. Nearly 8 laws we have seen. Now, I am going to continue the exercise 12.2. I started the exercise 12.2 in the previous video itself, and I have solved the first sum only. Now, in this video, I am going to continue the exercise 12.2. The second problem in the exercise is statements are given. You have to convert the statement into the variables P and Q. Two statements are given. We have to construct the statements into variables P and Q. First problem, 19 is not a prime number and all the angles of a triangle are equal. There are two statements in the problem. One P is 19 is a prime number. 19 is a prime number. This is first statement P. Q is all the angles of a triangle are equal. All the angles of a triangle. All the angles of a triangle are equal. These are the two statements given in the problem, and using these two statements, the exercise given as first problem, 19 is not a prime number and all the angles of a triangle are equal. 19 is not a prime number and all the angles of a triangle are equal. See, negation P, 19 is not a prime number. 19 is not a prime number. 19 is not a prime number and all the angles of a triangle are equal. And all the angles of a triangle are equal. In this case, 19 is not a prime number. Not is an indication, negation P. Because 19 is a prime number, 19 is not a prime number means negation P, and is written by conjunction, and all the angles of a triangle are equal, Q. Negation P, conjunction Q is the variable statement. This statement is converted into variable statement, negation P, conjunction Q. This is first problem. Second one is 19 is a prime number or all the angles of a triangle are not equal. 19 is a prime number. That means 19 is a prime number is P only. Or is disjunction. Or and all the angles of a triangle are not equal. That means negation Q. So second problem is P disjunction negation Q. That means 19 is a prime number or all the angles of a triangle are not equal. This is the second statement. Third problem, 19 is a prime number, that is P. 19 is a prime number and all the angles of a triangle are equal. And all the angles of a triangle are equal. And is given by conjunction and all the angles of a triangle are equal. P conjunction Q. That's all. 19 is a prime number and all the angles of a triangle are equal. Both are regular statements straight away, or and is replaced by conjunction. And is conjunction or is disjunction. Fourth one, 19 is not a prime number. 19 is not a prime number is negation P1. 19 is not a prime number. three statements in the exercise as replaced by the variable speed. This is second problem. Next we will pass on to the third one. See, you recall the notations again, once again you recall the notations. That is, and is replaced by conjunction, or is disjunction, or is disjunction and is conjunction. Negation, not a negation or not. This is by the symbol this. Line like that, negation. And if then, single condition statement. If P then Q. If then is this. And if and only if. If and only if, double side statement. If and only if. If and only if. P, if and only if Q. These are the notations, remember. And EOR, exclusive of R. EOR means disjunction over bar. These are the symbols, you remember. For replacing the statement by variables, you use these symbols. Next, third problem. Determine the truth value of each of the following statement. Truth value. Determine the truth value of the following. Determine the truth value. Of the following statement. Truth value of the following statement. First one is, if 6 plus 2 equal to 5. If 6 plus 2 equal to 5, then the milk is white. Then the milk is white. If 6 plus 2 equal to 5, you consider by the statement P. If then, at the single condition, the milk is white is Q. What is the truth value of the statement? 6 plus 2 equal to 5. It is wrong. Therefore, this is false. This tends to milk is white is true. So F single condition true. T is P tends to Q is T, you know. The truth value is T. Because F from F, if F then T is T. If T then F is F. We know that a T to F is F, but F to T is T. We know the single condition statement. P is false, Q is true, then F tends to T is true. This is first problem. Second one. 6 plus 2 is 5 is false. Milk is white is true, therefore F tends to T is T. Next problem. China is in Europe. China is in Europe. China is in Europe, or root 3 is an integer. Or root 3 is an integer. China is in Europe, you consider a statement P. and root 3 is integer, you consider statement Q. China is in Europe is false. Root 3 is integer, also is false. R means P disjunction Q. R is disjunction. So F, both are F, disjunction is also F. That is the truth. This is F, disjunction F is F. Third one. It is not true that 5 plus 5 is equal to 9. It is not true. It is not true that 5 plus 5 equal to 9. This is one statement. Or Earth is a planet. Or Earth is a planet. In this statement also, it's a compound statement. If it is not true that 5 plus 5 equal to 9, this is P. Earth is a planet is Q. It is not true that 5 plus 5 equal to 9. It is not true that 5 plus 5 equal to 9 is false. It is not true. Therefore, this is true. And Earth is a planet is also true. R is disjunction again. P disjunction Q. T disjunction T is T. T disjunction T is T. Both are T, the disjunction is T. That's all about problem 3. Next, fourth one is that 11 is a prime number and all the sides of a, no sorry. Yes. It is not. 11 is a prime number. Next, fourth one. See, these are expressed only by using the truth tables. Again, fourth one is third problem, fourth subdivision. 11 is a prime number. You know 11 is a prime number. It's true. 11 is a prime number, and all the sides of a triangle are equal. And all the sides of a triangle are equal. And all the sides of a triangle are equal. P, 11 is a prime number, that is P. And all the sides of a triangle are equal is Q. 11 is a prime number is true. All the sides of a triangle need not be equal. It may be false. All the sides of a triangle are not equal actually, but given as all the sides of a triangle are equal, therefore it is false. And is the connecting symbol, therefore P conjunction Q. Either one of is T, conjunction is false. Therefore, T conjunction F is false. That's all the fourth problem. Fourth subdivision over. Next, fourth problem. Third problem, all the four subdivisions are over. Next, fourth one. Which of the following sentences is a proposition? Some sentences are given and they ask you to check whether the sentences, which one is proposition and which is not proposition. That is problem 4. From the given sentences, which one is preposition? You have to say which of the following sentences are prepositions. That is our problem 4. First one. 4 plus 7 equal to 12. First of all, proposition means any declarative statement is a proposition. Any declarative statement is a proposition, whether the truth value of the statement is true or false. The truth value is immaterial. Any declarative statement is a proposition. Any declarative sentence is a statement, or it is otherwise called proposition. Any declarative sentence called statement or proposition. Whether the truth value is immaterial. 4 plus 7 is 12 is false. Even though it is false, but it is a proposition. Is a proposition. All declarative statements, whether the truth value is true or false, are called propositions. The command sentence statements, request statements, interrogative statements are not propositions. Order, command, request, interrogative questions, these are not propositions, but the declarative statements are propositions. It is a proposition because the value is maybe false. Truth value may be F, but it is a proposition. Second one, what are you doing? What are you doing? It is a question mark. It is not a proposition. It is an interrogative sentence, therefore it is not a proposition. It is not a proposition because it is an interrogative question type. Third one. 3 power n less than or equal to 81. 3 power n is less than or equal to 81 where n belongs to capital N. 3 power n is less than or equal to 81. It is also a statement, declarative statement, therefore it is a proposition. It is, some cases it is true or false. It is a proposition. Fourth one. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Is a proposition because it is also a declarative statement, therefore it is a proposition. Fifth one. How tall this mountain is? How tall this mountain is? How tall this mountain? It is an exclamatory sentence, therefore it is not a proposition. Not a proposition. So that's all about the problem 4. And some 4 problems we have solved in this video. And the next problem, the exercise we will see in the next video. Thank you.